starting off with earn by time today. Current rate is $17.50 an hour, and we've got our first orders. We've got a stacked Black Rock coffee going 4.5 miles.
Anybody? Have a good one.
Total for those ended up being $14 and some change. We just got the next order. This is going to be for McDonald's going 4.5 miles. Oh, I'm looking at the order and it looks like they want 2 Oreo McFlurries. It is 7:15 in the morning. I've got a feeling this is not going to be ready, or it's just straight up not available at this time. So this might be an issue.
E9B. U9B.
All right, I'm gonna make the ice cream now. I didn't want to make it until you got here. All right, my ice cream is still in heat mode. It's at 50 degrees. It's got to come down to 35. That could take a while. It could take anywhere from 5 minutes to 25 minutes. It just depends on the machine. There you go. Thank you.
Thank you. Contacted support because I was not going to unassign without pay and just waste all my time. They told me to just substitute it, so we got 2 extra pies. All they're getting is 4 pies. Not quite what they ordered, but it's better than nothing, I guess. And of course it's upstairs. Total ended up being $7 and change for that order. Next order, we've got a Starbucks. This one is gonna be going 3 miles. Hello.
She's just trying to be original.
Thank you. I had a feeling. Total ended up being $4 and change. That's so bad. So bad. Next up, we've got a Panera. This one's going 6.5 miles. Thank you. You too. Hello. I'm just dropping off for Ashley.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yep.
Hold on. No, it's yours.
Total ended up being $8 for that one. I don't know if that was really worth it. Mileage was kind of high, and I am kind of out of the way now, so I'm gonna say no. Next up, we've got a Starbucks going 4 miles. We've got another hand-to customer. This one says, push the silver button. An amazing human will admit your entrance. Go to the window and another amazing human will take the order. Thank you. Hello.
Delivery.
Yes.
Thank you.
Have a good one. Yeah, that checks out. She seemed like an amazing human. And the tip was pretty good. Total ended up being $10 for that. Just got the next order. This is gonna be for Black Rock Coffee going 3 miles.
Okay. There's 2 in there. And 1 straggler that I can't fit in anyone else.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a wonderful day.
You too. I don't know if those humans were as amazing as the previous ones, because total ended up being $6 and change. Next order came in right away. This is going to be for McDonald's going just under 2 miles.
What's your number?
35B. Thank you. Total ended up being $7 and change for that one. Not bad considering it took like less than 10 minutes. And we got the next order right away. This is gonna be for Black Rock Coffee, going less than 2 miles. Looks like they're giving me an add-on for an additional 2 miles, which isn't great, but I can't even pull in because the line is out to the street. So it's gonna be a wait anyways. Might as well take it.
Okay, here's the first order for Maria, and then just one more. Okay, thank you for your patience.
Thank
there
you.
We go.
You too. Total ended up being $18 for that. Yeah, that took forever, so I was kind of expecting a big payout. And we got the next order right away. This is gonna be for Muchas Gracias, going 9 miles. Cringe.
Thank you.
Thank you. $1 tip, by the way. That ended up being just under $7. Like I said earlier, cringe. Got the next order right away. It's gonna be for a McDonald's, going 4 miles. You too, thank you. That's funny. That is really funny, actually. Total ended up being $4 and change, with a tip being 10 cents. Yep, 10 cents. Like at that point, don't even give me a tip. Next order up, we've got a Taco Bell. This one is gonna be going 3.5 miles. Zero tip, by the way. Total ended up being $4 and change. So garbage. We've got a Carl's Jr. going 5 miles. Total ended up being $8 and change for that one. Not bad, not bad. Next order up, we are heading to Panda Express. This is gonna be going 4.5 miles. Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Right here, and then right
Yeah.
here. Thank you.
Thank you. Total ended up being $12 and change for that one. Okay, I think I'm gonna call it here unless I get an order on the way home. Current time is 11:14. Total, we are at 113. Pretty good day, to be honest. Ignoring all the $4 orders. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.